everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix TCL Google TV apps not working or opening or loading. To fix this, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. It could be due to a various reason like outdated apps, network issue or system problem. First thing, you could go to Google Play Store, search for manage apps and games and update all the apps. Alternatively, you could go to settings or apps, manage apps and games and update. Next, you could also navigate to the settings, go to system and click on reset or restart. Once you've actually done it, so this should be able to help you out. If not, you could also try checking for your internet connection. If you have a poor connectivity or unstable internet, that could be one of the issues. So you want to make sure to restart your router or check for a connection. That could be able to help you out. You could also try reinstalling the app. So uninstall the app and then restart it from the Google Play Store. That should be able to help you out. If all of these procedure fails, you could perform a factory reset or restore the device to its original settings. However, this will erase all your data, so make sure to back up important data before doing it. You could then go ahead and make sure to check game compatibility. If not, if you're having issue with a game, ensure that they are compatible with the TCL Google TV. That should be able to help you out. I hope your video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.